Hi. Yeah, let me get some. Okay. Is you watching this that, the girl that, okay, I'm gonna send this to you probably. I really want that blonde cat. This is a box of ones I'm trading. Really? These are ones I'm trading. I'll give you this fairy dragon right here. See this? Fairy dragon. It's in good condition. If you give me this fairy, if you give me a fox, it's a fox. Let me show you. It's kind of like her, but it's an orange fox, and she got green eyes, kind of like a snowflake in her eye. See, like this, you see that little raindrop? Instead of that raindrop, then it's a, instead of the raindrop, it's like a snowflake thing, kind of like a snowflake. I'll give you this fairy dragon for that. What I just showed you. Okay. For this little owl, I'll give me like Brooke. Give me Brooke. Look, the blind cat. Blind cat, you can see. Blind cat. This one. And for this, some kind of gerbil or something, give me that superhero cat. Here. Draw this. Okay. And I'll like a pink mop dog for this one. Pink mop dog. Okay, pink mop dog. For this one, I'll like that some kind of dog. I don't know what kind of dog he is, but I know he's some kind of dog. What they call it, LPS popular. Okay, I know you're under the door. That's my brother. That's my brother under the door. This is my room. Yes, I see your hand, Caleb. Anyways, would you move your hands? What? Did you move your hands, I said. Anyways, that's my brother putting his hands under the door. Anyways, you heard what I said. I went for this one, that some kind of dog from LPS Popular. Okay, I will show you all the ones I'm trading, all the ones in there. So if you want any of them, then I'm trading this cat for a mop dog. A pink one, mop dog. For this fish, that boy dog from LPS Popular, I'm changing that. And for this one, make an offer to give me any pet shop that you're willing to trade. And remember, I want you to send first, okay? Whatever one, I want you to send first, okay? I promise I'll send you back. And the important thing is I want you to live in a closer state if you want these. I want you to live in a closer state because we live in Cleveland, Ohio, and you guys might live in a farther state, and I hope whoever wants some of these, I hope you guys really hope that you live in a closer state. Like offer for this one, these two offer. They're all in good condition, except this bird is not so good condition. You could probably wash off some of it when you get it, or I could try. Make an offer. give me Brooke, the blind cat. And I already told you what I want for this fox. I mean, I'm thinking of foxes. I mean, for this red dragon, I told you already. And this otter, I like Savannah Reed from LPS Popular. Savannah Reed. This monkey make an offer. It's a monkey. My name is Monkey. So, I'll show you some of the pet shops that I have. There's a lot. Got this dog. Okay. Whenever I send you the when you send me the purple cat, when you send me the the pink mock dog, I'll send you this bow with the cat. And you go, like if you have those invisible, like, rubber bands, you could, like, maybe put it on there. Those invisible rubber bands. She looks cute with it. I wish I could keep it, but I don't have those invisible rubber bands that you can see through. I don't have those kind, but I have the ones that you cannot see through. I wish I didn't. I'm not keeping it, but I'll let you have it with this cat. So, I'm sharing that cat with that. Bye. I hope you're watching. I hope you live in a close state.